Milky water is usually down to air getting into the system. Tiny air bubbles can form in the water as it's drawn from the tap, giving it the milky or cloudy appearance you are seeing. Water with air bubbles is perfectly safe to drink. Air can get into the water pipes in various ways, sometimes when we've been working on the water mains in the street. The amount of air water can hold depends on its temperature. The colder it is, the more chance air bubbles will appear, which is why you are more likely to see milky looking water in the winter months. So if it happens in your home, what do? Here's a glass test you can do to see if the milky appearance is down to air bubbles. Fill a glass of cold water from the tap. See if it clears from the bottom to the top. If it does, this indicates the milkiness is due to air bubbles and that the water is fine to drink. If it doesn't clear in the glass test and the milky water is persistent, affecting all your taps and not affecting your neighbours, then please contact us for further advice on 0800 052 0130.